Hello, today we will guide you through how to change Facebook page, profile picture in Meta Business Suite. To begin, open Meta Business Suite and make sure you're on the correct Facebook page you want to update. This is important if you manage more than one page, since profile picture changes will apply to the page currently selected. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for your page's current profile picture. Next, move your mouse over the profile picture area. Hovering over it helps reveal the available editing controls and makes it easier to access the settings connected to your page image. Take a moment here to confirm you're editing the right page before making any changes. After that, click on Edit Page. This will open the page editing area where you can update key details related to your Facebook page, including the profile image. If the screen takes a moment to load, that's normal, especially if your internet connection is slower or the page contains several assets. Once you're in the editing section, look toward the top right of the profile picture area and click the edit icon for the profile image. This is the option that lets you replace or update the current picture. When the image settings open, you should see the choices available for changing the profile photo. From here, you can either select a sample picture that's already available or click Upload if you want to use a new image from your device. If you're uploading a new file, it's a good idea to use a clear, square image so it displays well across Facebook. Profile pictures are often shown in a small circular frame, so try to keep important details centered. Finally, follow the on-screen procedure provided by your device and browser to upload the image and complete the change. Depending on your setup, this may include choosing the file, adjusting the crop, and confirming the update. Read each prompt carefully so the final image appears exactly the way you want it. Once the upload is complete, give the page a quick check to make sure the new profile picture looks correct. If needed, you can repeat the same process and choose a different image or adjust the crop. And that's how to change your Facebook page profile picture in Meta Business Suite.